In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private board in Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's begin by logging in to your Monday.com account. Once you've signed in, navigate to the workspace where you want to create your private board. This workspace is essentially your hub for organizing everything, so make sure you're in the right place. Now, once you're in your chosen workspace, look for the Creation menu. This is super easy to find. Just locate the plus icon or the Add Item option on the left side panel of your workspace. Clicking this will open up a few options for you. Next, you want to select the option to create a new board. This is where the magic happens, so go ahead and click on that, and we can move on to configuring your board details. Now that you're in the board creation screen, it's important to give your new board a clear title. This is essential for keeping things organized. For example, you might name it Private Reports if you are planning to manage sensitive information or reports on this board. Make sure your title reflects what you'll be using the board for. After naming your board, you will need to set its privacy. Look for the Select Board's Privacy section. Here you should click on the option labeled Private. Choosing this setting ensures that only invited members will have access to the board, keeping your information secure and confidential. Once you've set the privacy, it's time to select the item types you will be managing on your new board. This could be tasks, projects, leads, or whatever else fits your needs. Choose the type that matches your goals for this board to optimize it for your workflow. Finally, to wrap everything up, click the Create Board button. This action will officially create your private board with all the configurations you just set up. Now, you have a private board that's ready for you to start managing your projects or tasks securely. Remember to invite any team members you want to share it with, as only those invited will have access to this private space. It's that simple. I hope this video has helped you understand how to create a private board in Monday.com. Feel free to explore all the features that come with your new board to customize it even further for your needs. Don't forget to like the video if you found it informative, and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!